Wow, look at that, bro. There's something new here. Do you believe this? This is iPhone 12 Pro Max and my brand new charger, 20 watt. Do you believe this? I'm ready to make the unboxing. After this video, I will make the test. Bro, I'm ready for that. This is my new charger. I wanted to test to see how it's working. Okay? Get ready. As you can see, it's definitely not a joke. This box is crazy, it's amazing, it's beautiful, and I like it. Wow! And this is my new charger for my new phone. 20 watts. Really? Seriously? I don't know. I don't know if it's real, but look at what I have here. Look at what I have here. Is it a real one? I don't know. Look at that. Okay, nice. Now, get ready for the unboxing. Oh, it's so heavy. Nice. Now, I'm ready. Okay, okay, get ready. This is my first charger, the charger that I bought. This is like the charger of the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Look at, so are not 20 watts here. When I use this charger, I charge my phone 3 hours for 3 hours charging. 3 hours charging to have 100% of battery. This is not good for me. This is why I decided to buy a new charger to see how it's working. Are you ready? Okay. Now let's make the unboxing. We start by what? By this beautiful box. As you can see, it's amazing. Look at how it so look at how it look like. Now let's go for the unboxing. I have something here. You need to do something like that. Ooh, just cut. Nice. And what after? Okay, look at what you can do. Nice. This is the unboxing. Thank you. Now big face. Oh, look at what is here. Look at who is here. Do you believe this? Who is here? Look at that. Damn. Okay. Now get ready. Get ready. As you can see, this is a new charger. Look at how it's so beautiful. Look at how it look like. Nice. Look at that. What? Look at inside. Do you believe this? Notification. Look at the notice. Is it real? I don't know. Who have time to read all of this? Okay, thank you. Now I have this. Look at this is the port, the port, the port USB-C to USB Lightning. It's new. This is this is what I'm talking about. It's the same with this. This port is from this beautiful box. Ha ha ha. Now let me show you what you can see in this box. Look at Wow. Open. Beautiful. So shiny. Now, look at what you have here. Look at what you have here. And look at that. USB Type C. And look at what you have here. Then you have 20 watts here. 20 watts. 20 watts. Okay, no problem. I don't know if it's real, but I want to charge my phone just to see. As you can see, it's the same design by Apple in California, something like that, but I don't believe it. I want just to test. Look at this sachet. Damn. Now you have your new charger. 20 watts. 20 watts. 20 watts. Now look at the first version. Here you have something like 5 watts. But it's not here. No information about this here. The both are almost the same. Do you believe it? Almost the same charger. Okay, this is the preview version. No, who is heavy? Who is heavy? I feel that is the old charger. No, the new charger is here. Okay, let's use the old USB Lightning to USB-C to connect just to see if it's working. Okay. Okay, 20 watts. Let me connect to electricity. Okay. Okay, now it's connected to electricity. What I need a phone, bro. I need a phone. Okay, now let's open this box. Okay, let's open this box and take my phone, my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Nice, beautiful. Oh, look at how it look like. Look at how it look like. Amazing, beautiful. It's so nice. This is Pacific blue. Pacific blue. Ha ha ha. Pacific blue is here for you. Now, beautiful. Okay. I have also this. All information about this. Chinese again here. Do you believe it? And nice. Okay, no problem. Put this inside and close the box. Before doing this, let me do something. Ooh, look at what I have here. Damn. Now you have your beautiful, amazing new iPhone 12 Pro Max. That is lot. Now, make me unboxing. Take this quickly. Okay, your phone is here. Wonderful, clean the screen. Look at how it's so beautiful. Look at how it's so amazing. Do you believe it? Look at that. Damn. Jesus is Lord. And the beautiful camera. Ha ha ha. Okay, the power button. Okay. Now, let me connect the charger. Okay. Let me connect the brand new charger to see how it's working. Okay. Nice. Nice. Okay. Now, let's do it. Where my charger? Okay, my charger is connected to electricity. Let me show you. As you can see, it's connected. It's here. Okay, it's connected here. Now take this and follow me. Okay, now let's test to see if it's working. 1 2 3 4 5. Let's go. 1. What? 2. Apple is back. Apple logo. 3 4 5. Okay. Charge it. You can see charging. Start it. Okay. I can see start charging your phone. Okay, this is 20 watts. I don't know how it's working. I want just to test on the next video. Don't forget to like and share and get ready now for the next video. I want to test this against this old charger to see who is the best. Get ready.